Nice. Well, I'm more excited than the Pointer Sisters. Yep. I just got home from work. I hope I'm not too scruffy looking. What I have here are 2 walnut crickets. And they are signed by the same people. And just for those who might need a refresher or maybe new to my channel, which there are quite a few since last year, I'll bring you up to speed. Last year we took a pink cricket and lots of famous or infamous or slightly famous YouTubers signed the pink cricket, and we auctioned it for a fundraiser for marineparents.com. And the pink cricket, I think, brought almost $700 at auction, and I gave away a P64. It was kind of like it wasn't really technically a raffle, but it was part of the giveaway. And so through the auction and the P64 giveaway, we raised $1,000. I remember it was just before cutlerylover signed, because I was going to have to ship it off to him. Steve McNeal called me and said, "Hey, I like what you're doing." Steve McNeal is the owner, president of Keystone Sporting Arms. They make the crickets. He said, "I want to help," and he eventually ended up matching our $1,000, and we were able to turn over $2,000 to marineparents.com. That's the quickie version of that. So this year we're going to, I'm pretty sure we're going to support marineparents.com again, but we have 2 crickets this year, and we can decide how we want to do that. I'm still taking input. I would like maybe one of them to support marineparents.com. Maybe we can split it up, do 2 different organizations. Several weeks ago, Eric was gracious enough to invite me and Barrett and whoever I wanted to bring, it turned out me and Barrett, to come down to the shoot that he hosted. That was so much fun. I hope we're able to do it next year. Maybe if the neighbors can tolerate it, we'll be able to do it again next year. But in any event, that was a great event. But I was able to get all of these signatures on the crickets, and I'll show them to you in just a second, while I was there. So I have a really good head start this year. I've already contacted several other people. Let's see. Yeah, James Yeager said he would sign. I'm pretty sure cutlerylover is going to sign. There's several others that I haven't gotten word back from that I probably shouldn't mention their names until I confirm, but I'm pretty sure they're going to sign. So we should have a really good group of names this year. And I wanted to thank Steve McNeal. He gave me these 2 walnut crickets at wholesale, like a dealer cost, I think, so that we could you know, keep the initial cost down, and then once we're finished, he's going to put a clear coat over the signatures to preserve them. So what I'd like to do now is just roll in the footage from the shoot. Hey Destinee.
Hi ArtisanTony.
Destiny is nice enough to be signing the crickets for us. We've got a few signatures.
I'll come around this way so my signature's not on. It won't be upside down next to Brandon's. I'm in such prestigious company over here. I've got Barry and Brandon 401.
As if people do not know, these will be auctioned off for a fundraiser this year, just like we did last year. We raised $2,000 with Steve McNeal's help. This guy over here. For marineparents.com. I'm not sure exactly what we're going to do this year. We're going to do something like that again, but it'll be for a good cause, I promise.
Oh, I'm sure. So I know what you did with the cricket last year, so I'm happy to help. special.
Thank you, Destiny. I really appreciate it.
Evident.
Steve is graciously signing. I keep wanting to say pink cricket, but it's the walnut cricket.
98. Farewell. Eric's 100% still. So hey guys, Zeke's early. Here he is.
There you go.
Oh, that's the best looking signature I've seen on one of these.
You want to sign it, Mathew?
Yeah, get Matthew to sign it.
Oh, I don't want to sign it.
Sign it.
Go ahead, it'll be more valuable.
I'm sure you got room there.
All the way and let go. All right.
All right.
Thanks, Matthew.
Yep.
That door's nice. Thank you.
Anywhere?
Zeke from TalkingLead. Just don't take up too much real estate, you know.
So you anywhere on the wood?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think you said lead falls 20 cords. I loaded it.
That'll work.
Thank you.
Because otherwise people see Zeke and they're like, who the heck is Zeke?
Okay, left hand has graciously agreed to sign.
Oh, he took my spot. Can I do this side?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Dad,
Yeah,
can I shoot the Sega?
yeah.
Okay.
Only if they videotape you.
They don't, it's...
Sweet.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good luck.
Thank you.
Waited too long.
Eric is the man. Well, Zeke is the man too,
Nah.
but Eric is the man.
You're just a man.
The optic Petros are.
Thanks,
There you
Eric.
go.
We appreciate it.
No problem. Thank you for you guys coming out.
I'm also looking at the big picture because everybody I talk to and look at my channels. All right, ready? The revenue's one thing, but the views are down.
Thanks, Sage.
All right, buddy.
And
Ready to go, man.
22 Plankster has graciously agreed to sign.
these are fun little rifles, man. The little girl's got one. You can shoot them lights
Yeah, I
out.
think we should be able to raise some good money this year again like we did last year.
Yeah, hope so. Hope so. It's a good cause.
Thank you.
No problem.
Oh, what's I see? Outside.
Thank you both for signing it.
What?
I said thank you both.
Oh,
for
you're welcome.
If you don't have any, I appreciate it.
We're doing 2 rifles this time?
Yeah.
Good.
Sorry.
Hold that for me, baby. Is my first name ready?
What's that? These aren't real hot 5.56s. These are
Here we go.
Thank you.
manufactured.
Hey, man.
Seeking ammunition.
Hold that for me so it's...
No, I think she actually upgraded the value.
This
For
could
sure.
actually decrease the value here just a little bit.
Now these are
There we go.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
So here's just a quick close-up of some of the names. You'll probably recognize them as I go along. There's Steve McNeal and his son Mathew, who is an excellent young man, good marksman. I'm sure he's a good son, just like my 2 sons are. We've got Eric and 10 Outdoors 9 and all the guys. Kirsty, Brandon, Such. Let's see who's on the back of this one. There's Zeke. There's Lefthand. Kirsty again. Who's this? Oh, that's Destiny. Alright. And is that Brandon? Yeah, Brandon. So I'm trying to keep myself out of the shadow, from creating a shadow. You know, it's funny, I was just sitting here thinking as Max and I were enjoying the very beautiful October afternoon. You know, I was talking to Steve McNeal when we were visiting at the shoot, and I was like, you know, do you think we can kind of reproduce the same spirit that we had last year? And I think we both came to the conclusion that, you know, maybe we can't recreate the same atmosphere that we had, the sort of grassroots, you know, that spirit of that just kind of captured everybody last year, and it all just came together and worked. But I think, you know, we don't have to create the exact same thing every year. I think that is, you know, as long as we're showing an effort and we meet some goals, that's really what matters. I think I was worried about it, but I think I'm over it now. I think now I just want to see some money go to a good cause, and it'll make me feel better. Max, squirrel, 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 squirrel.